This is the 2025 Overland Titan Camper, a rugged, go-anywhere expedition vehicle that looks like it just rolled off the set of a sci-fi movie, yet it's 100% real and built for the most extreme adventures on Earth. Whether you're tackling desert dunes, frozen tundra, or remote backcountry trails, the Titan is not just a camper, it's a mobile fortress built to survive and thrive off-grid. The first thing that hits you is its presence. It's massive. At over 27 feet long and 12 feet high, it commands attention. Built on a military-grade manned 6x6 chassis, the Titan is engineered for serious terrain. We're talking about 6-wheel drive with differential locks, a 13-liter diesel engine, and nearly 20 inches of ground clearance. If there's a road, the Titan can handle it. If there's no road, it'll still probably make it. But the Titan isn't just brawn. It's a smart, self-sufficient off-grid home. On the roof, a 2,000-watt solar array feeds a 24V lithium battery bank with a capacity of over 30 kilowatt-hours. That's more energy than many tiny homes. Combined with a backup diesel generator and dual alternators, you're not just camping, you're self-sustaining. Step inside, and the contrast is striking. The interior is sleek, modern, and surprisingly luxurious. Think Scandinavian minimalism meets rugged durability. Matte finish cabinets, marine-grade fixtures, and high-performance insulation keep the space feeling clean and quiet, whether you're in a heat wave or a snowstorm. At the front, the living area features a convertible U-shaped dinette wrapped in weather-resistant faux leather, surrounded by panoramic dual-pane windows. There's a hidden 50-inch smart TV that rises at the push of a button, paired with a satellite internet system so you can stream, upload, or even work remotely from the Arctic Circle if that's your thing. The kitchen is a full-function galley with induction cooktops, a convection microwave, a full-size 12V fridge-freezer combo, and even a built-in espresso machine. Countertops are solid surface composite, and the water system includes triple filtration and UV sterilization because clean water is critical when you're days away from civilization. Moving toward the rear, you'll find a spa-style wet bath with a rainfall shower, ceramic composting toilet, and heated towel rack. The space is lined with antimicrobial surfaces, and there's even a humidity control system that adjusts ventilation based on your usage and the environment. The rear houses a queen-size bed with memory foam mattress, integrated reading lights, blackout shades, and noise-dampening panels. Overhead storage, USB-C charging ports, and underbed drawers make it as functional as it is cozy. And for families or gear-heavy travelers, the Titan includes an expandable sleeping loft above the cab, which can comfortably sleep 2 more people or convert into additional storage. Now let's talk capacity. The Titan carries over 200 gallons of fresh water, 100 gallons of gray, and up to 80 gallons of diesel. With these specs, some owners have reported staying off-grid for 4 to 6 weeks at a time without needing to resupply. Pair that with a Starlink dish or 5G booster, and you've got a rolling command center wherever you go. For security, the Titan includes motion-activated exterior cameras, thermal imaging, keyless entry, and a fully armored cab. It even has a drone launch bay for aerial scouting, a wild but very real feature. The exterior is just as purpose-built. Massive all-terrain tires, brush guards, recovery winches, onboard air compressor, and even a heated gear locker for snow-covered boots or muddy trail gear. The rear garage can carry bikes, kayaks, and even a compact dual-sport motorcycle. Let's not forget climate control. The Titan has a dual-zone HVAC system with integrated diesel and electric heat, as well as a roof-mounted AC unit rated for desert conditions. Thermal imaging and environmental sensors also adjust climate and energy usage automatically to keep efficiency optimized. One of the most impressive things about the Titan is the level of customization. Buyers can choose between multiple floor plans, materials, and even chassis configurations. Whether you want a family overlander, a solo expedition rig, or a remote work studio on wheels, there's a build option for you. Of course, all this capability and comfort doesn't come cheap. The base price for a 2025 Overland Titan is around $680,000, and a fully loaded version can push past $850,000. But for the serious adventurer, or someone looking to live a fully mobile lifestyle with no compromises, it's a powerful, capable, and surprisingly livable investment. And the experience it offers? It's more than just travel. It's freedom. It's resilience. It's waking up at the edge of a glacier, sipping coffee in the middle of nowhere, or camping under the stars with everything you need right at your fingertips. The Overland Titan isn't just a camper. It's a philosophy on wheels. For those who believe the world was meant to be explored fully, boldly, and without limits, this is your ship.